If you are the type that you don't have ring light, you don't have a tripod, and you don't have a microphone for your videos, and because of that you'll be procrastinating on making your YouTube videos, and as a beginner everything is so pricey, ring light is expensive, tripod is expensive, and your microphone, most of them are expensive. If you are that type of person and you'll be procrastinating, you don't know how to make your videos, then watch this video to the end, because I'll be telling you, or rather teaching you, how to improvise all of these things, how to improvise your ring light, how to get something else for your tripod, how to, you know, do all of these things. And then watch this video to the end so you can see or know what I'm talking about. Let's go.
I look at you and it's easy to see you are the someone I've been trying to meet.
What ring light does is to basically give you that lighting, that brightness to your face or to whatever you want to do, so it can give you that shine, and it gives us that, you know, we get to see you better when you are recording. Yes, I know, but do you know there are other things that you can use to bring lights into your videos without, you know, breaking your bank? Some of these things are very much free, some of these things are already in your houses. This one is lighting. So for lighting, you have two free options that you are going to be using. One is very free, the other one you must already have in your house, or is very much affordable for you to get. You can improvise your ring lights by using your natural daylight, which is you just, you know, taking your facing the window of your room or anywhere you know has a very bright light from your window, and then you facing it and then making your videos. That's number one. Number two is you going to the market to get this lamp. Guys, this lamp costs less than 3,000 naira. In fact, you can get this for 2,000 naira, because that's how much I got this in 2021. So I don't know the year you are watching this video. Please tell me how much it is now. This goes for less than 3,000 naira. I got this for 2,000 naira. So this lamp, you can just, you know, charge it overnight and then use it for your videos. Just, you know, position it in front of you, and then your ring light is already here. Your lighting is already here, so you can make your videos with this light. You can even use a torch light. You can use anything that has light. I remember that my first two videos that I made on YouTube, they took the light and I needed to film that video at night, so I used my mom's back torchlight, the torchlight from my mom's phone. That's what I used. I just placed it in front of me and it gave me that light, although it didn't last long just because the battery was low. But if you know you have power bank, you can just, you know, charge while you use the light. But for this one, you just have to charge it because this one lasts longer than your phone torchlight. So for this, you can actually use this charge this overnight and then use it as your lighting. Just place it in front of you, and then it is very bright, guys. Like, it is very, very bright. It is very bright. So you can get this in different sizes. There are bigger ones than this, there are smaller ones if this is not affordable enough for you. Then the second one, we are going to go into tripod. You know, it's only when you go outdoor that I think tripod is very necessary, but then even at that, you can get mini tripods around, which are very very affordable. You can get from AliExpress, you can get from Jumia, whatever online store that sell affordable products, you can get from there. But also, because of this video, I'll be telling you how to use a tripod stand without using a tripod stand. So tripod stand is just for you to place your phone somewhere, and then something to hold your phone just so you can talk to your phone. That's just basically what tripod is. So all you need to do is to look for something big enough. You can also still use this. All you need to do is to pile up books. You can pile up big books, like up to 5 books, and then place it on your table. Take this and then put your phone at the side of it, and it's very, very stable, because I've done it multiple times when I'm facing my window during the day, because I'm filming at night right now. During the day, when I'm facing my window and I don't need extra lights, what I do is just to pile up book that's like 4 to 5 big books, and then just place my phone at the top of it while using this Like I'll just place my phone at the side of this and on top of the books, and voila, my phone is already stable for me to make videos in. Then for the last one, because I want this video to be very, very short, for the last one, if you don't have money to get a mic, a wireless mic or something, because wireless mics, they are very, very expensive. Most of my colleagues, they said they got theirs for 12,000, 16,000, 18,000, and as a new and a beginner making YouTube videos, you don't really have that much money to, but if you can afford it, there's no problem. But if you don't have that money to get the wireless, you can actually get this particular mic. This one is the mic that comes with a very long wire. This is a 3-meter wire actually, so wherever you put your phone is going to get to you. So you just basically need to connect this to your phone as if you are plugging in your earpiece. Then you take the end with the mic to your shirt. You just put it on your shirt and then you just start talking, but make sure that you check the mic and see that it has that mic icon on your phone, on the top of your phone, because before you start filming your video, just so that you know that okay, it is working and you're not just speaking and it's not recording. So guys, that is how to do your videos as a beginner. You don't need ring light, you don't need to buy an expensive tripod or start going to get a wireless mic. You can get that later, but for now all you need to focus on is just to make quality videos and to, you know, gain more subscribers that would love to watch your content. Build your content first before you start thinking of buying gadgets, because you need that money to be saved, because you're going to be buying a lot of data. So guys, I'll be bringing more tips, and please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Hit the thumbs up button, which is the like button. See you in my next video. Bye.